In the IPL 2021 final today, the 15th October 2021, Chennai Super Kings will face Knight Riders Kolkata for the title at Dubai International Cricket Stadium, UAE, at Indian Standard Time, 7:30 p.m. Let us look at the statistics and players and their performance of both the teams in this IPL season. Chennai Super Kings, a ninth final appearance in 12 editions. CSK has won 3 times, 5 final defeats they have to face, whereas KKR won 2 times. CSK's chances depends on how effectively they manage the 12 overs from spin trio Varun Chakravarti, Sunil Narine and Shakib Al Hasan. Let us see the top batsmen and bowlers of both teams who have performed well in this season. CSK has a sound opening pair, Gaikwad and Du Plessis. Gaikwad is in tremendous form throughout this season. The middle order is too good with Ambati Rayudu, Robin Uthappa, Moeen Ali, Jadeja and of course Dhoni, the skipper himself. He showed his finishing skills in the last match against Delhi. Also, the downline is also capable of contributing 2 good runs in the final overs. Josh Hazlewood, Deepak Chahar and the hard hitter Shardul Thakur are capable of scoring very good runs. Whereas for Kolkata Knight Riders, if Shubman Gill and Venkatesh Iyer could start the innings in a sound manner, then Nitish Rana, Rahul Tripathi, Shivam Dube, Sunil Narine, Dinesh Karthik and Eoin Morgan himself will go for any total if it is their day today. On the bowling side, besides the spin trio, we hope to see Ferguson and Shivam Mavi as the seamers. But in my opinion, looking into the performance and the professionalism shown by Dhoni and his men throughout this IPL season, CSK are the hot favourites to win the title. Let us hope for a thrilling final for the IPL 2021. Stay tuned for an exciting final. Thank you all for watching the video.